Okay, so welcome to this session. This session is about rune data type in Golang. So rune is basically used to store characters in Golang. So if you want to store a particular character, you can go for this rune data type. So I'm just first going to create a variable with rune. So where one variable name will be one and type will be rune. Okay, now I'm assigning a character to it. For this now I'm just going with capital A. And interestingly, if you print this, okay, now if you print this rune variable, you will get a integer output. Okay, so you can see it is getting printed here 65 because underlying data type for this rune variable is int32. So if you want to print this character as a character again, so you have to go with format specifier fmt dot printf printf. Now I'm going with percentile c for character and variable will be var1. Okay. Now if I go with this, so I will get a corresponding character value here. You can see A is printed now. So yes, Dune data type is basically used for storing character, and instead of this full declaration, you can also go for short declaration where to and normal any character again. And if you want, you can print that also. And I'm adding a new line here so that our output will be on the new line. Okay, 65A and for this small t corresponding int value. And tune data type follow UTF-8 encoding, so that's why all the values are given here. In following UTF-8 encoding instead of. Okay, so yes, so if you want to convert a particular string into a rune array, so you can go with following converting string to rune array. Okay, so suppose we have a string s and value will be hello world. And if you want to convert this with for accessing individual character, so we can directly go with rune array. Variable name will be rune array. Or okay, now we can go with the syntax and here rune and string variable name. Now if you print this rune array, we will get in corresponding rune array for given string hello world. So fmt dot println again and rune array. Okay, now you can see for all the current character in this string hello world, we are getting output in uh, equivalent integer values here. So yeah, we can convert in this way a particular string to a rune array. And if you want to convert rune to int, so simply uh, yes, we can directly go with int var is equal to simply int data type, and inside the bracket we can just provide a character. Okay, now we can print this. No, okay, no problem. So yeah, for this t we got 34. So if you don't want to pass the value here, you can pass a variable where. Okay, and I'm just creating a variable name down where equal to any value y. Save the file and Yes, you got this. So we saw how to declare a rune data type in Golang and printing values for int and character, whatever you want, you can do with this format specifier and normal print, and how to convert a string to rune array, and also we saw the how to convert rune to int data type. So yes, that's all for this video. And if you have any specific question, you can put on the comment or you can check our website. Thank you, guys.